Today I'll be showing you how to draw the Ghostbusters logo. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by doing the ghost's eyes. And what we're going to do is we're going to put them around about here. And it's just a hook like this. And then you leave it like a little space. And then you do another hook. There you go. And then you just do his eyeball. Okay, so once we've done that, we can do his nose. His nose is just about here. And then his mouth is slightly lower down. And it's just about here. All you want to do is a circle. A long circle like this. You can just colour that in. Okay, so now we just want to do his chin. Once we have done this, we can do his face, well, his head. Okay, so his head is like the shape of a potato, so if you're struggling to draw it, then just think of that and then it'll just become easier. So now that we've done this, we can do the top bit of his hair. So it just goes up like this, and then down, like this, it's like a wave, and then it goes upwards, and it just turns around and goes back in like this. So once we've done that, we can do his body. So it doesn't join together right here, it's just a space, and from here we just want to draw his shoulders like this, and on the other side we want to draw his arm, so just about here it has his arm, just swoops down. Try not to do it too straight, try and make it a little bit lumpy. And then we can do his hand. It goes up and then down, and then it just turns around. Just like this. And then you grab it from here and you just basically do a triangle, but not a pointy triangle, a rounded triangle. Like this. And the same thing for this. Okay, so you just do a line right here. And then you want to do his thumb. And back down, so it's kind of like these. They're all the same except they're just different angles. So then you grab from here, because his arm is really thick, and then you just curve it in. And then you can start by doing his body. Okay, before continuing with his body, we're going to do the big sign around him. So we're going to grab from about here, and it's just going to turn like this up to there, and then you double it. Okay, so once you've done that, we can do a diagonal line. It cuts through right here. Doesn't matter if it's not straight, because at the moment we're just drawing it in place. And then you want to do it about this much thickness. You draw another diagonal line. And then what you want to do now, you just want to curve it all the way around. take a second or two just to get that just right, because it's quite tricky just to get the right shape and not to make it too big. But once you've figured it out, we can move on to the next bit. Okay, so now we've done that, we can do the shape all the way around. This isn't too thick, so don't worry about making it really big, because it doesn't have to be. It goes right up to his hand, goes about here. Okay, so you just want it going up to here. And then from here, you just want to join up these two pieces, just like this. So once we've done that, we can do the line up to here. If you like to make it easier, you can draw on your character like this, just so you can see exactly where you are, and then you can just rub it off afterwards, so you don't have to worry about it getting ruined. So now we can continue with the body. So you want to grab it from here, curve it around. This is his stomach, and then we just have a line. That's all it is on this side, just a line. Okay, so back to this side, we have to do his hand. So you just draw a line right here, and his fingers are just like these. They're just pyramids, but squashed ones, so they're not pointy. Just like this. Grab it from here, just like we did over here before. Okay, so there his hand is done, and they're actually quite long, his fingers, because I was doing them quite small at first, and then I was like, no, they're longer, so I have to make them long. So if that's happened to you, then just make them long like I did. And everything is like squishy, and nothing is pointy or anything like that, so just try and make everything just big and squishy. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. All we have to do now is add the eyebrows. The eyebrows are slanted, and he looks kind of worried, so you want to kind of do that. You can just draw the shape at first, and then you just have to colour them in to make them thick. There you go. So now we can get onto the colour. Okay, so for the colours, all you need is a black pen and a red pen, colouring pencil. So I'm just going to go around everything in this black pen, and then I'll go and do the red bit afterwards. Okay, so once you have gone around everything in black, you want to rub it all off with a rubber. Okay, so what you want to do next is you want to go over some of these lines and just make them slightly thicker. Okay, so this is all of the black lines done, because remember I had to double them up. I know what you're thinking, that all of the lines are not doubled up, and that is because some of them, like these lines here and these lines here, don't need to be doubled up because they're near the black bit, so you're not going to be able to see them. Or right here you don't really need it because it's near the red. It's only on this hand where you need it, right here and on the face, and also right on this hand, but only right here and right here. Okay, so now we have done that, we can start on the colouring. So I'm going to start by doing the red, and the red is this bit, all of this, and that's it. So let's get started. If you see things running through your head, who can you call? Ghostbusters! An invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Okay, so now all we've got left to do is the black. So the black goes right here, and right here. And if you like, you can put it all around the drawing. So let's get colouring the black. So this is the end of the drawing. We have completely finished it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you had fun drawing it, because I definitely enjoyed drawing this drawing. And if you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any more suggestions on videos that you'd like me to try and draw, then just put them in the comment section and I'll try and draw them for you. Thank you for watching. Bye!